Block by block, yard by yard, we build back from every scar. Yeah. Dust in the air, but the plan still clear. Blueprint spread pan one old plastic chair. Stealing we back even when things crack. Dean Jones a measure every dream we lack. Key in him man, yet him I span soul. Listing up hope like a 3-bedroom goal. From zinc and board to a vision tall. Foundation set so we never follow.
Jamaica strong.
From the foot into the rooftop,
Jamaica strong.
when the rain beat we can't stop. We lay stone pan stone till the pain done gone. Rebuild a heart deeper than the black man. Watch the pillars rise up again.
Jamaica strong.
Turn the rubble into friend. Dean Jones build more than the place we belong. Him a set up with spirit.
Jamaica, Jamaica strong. Jamaica, Jamaica strong.
When the wind take roof and the tide take road, we still draw line for the next abode. Rebar mine in a every load. We bend, we flex, but we never explode. Signboard plant on the corner side. Future home where the tears did hide. Every nail drive in is a prayer speak loud. Every yard turn chance for uplifts grow. Who feel the crack in the family wall? Who fi brace the beam when the banks them stall? We with the plan and the courage tall. We rise, we now back fall. Hey. From the foot into the rooftop,
Jamaica strong.
when the rain beat we can't stop. We lay stone pan stone till the dough them gone. Rebuild the trust deeper than the ground. Watch the pillars rise up again.
Jamaica strong.
Turn the rubble into friend. Dean Jones right future and the land lifelong. Laying love like mortar.
Jamaica, Jamaica strong.